Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin in the rose garden with essentials and heat. Pour 4 cups water into a saucepan and bring it to near boil so tannins release cleanly. Once near boiling, add 6 tea bags or the equivalent loose tea and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. This creates the strong base you need. While steeping, measure 1 cup sugar so you can dissolve it into the hot concentrate. Make sure to pick edible rose petals only, rinse them gently, and set aside for infusion. Once the tea concentrate is hot and the sugar is ready, stir the cup of sugar into the pot until it dissolves completely. This ensures even sweetness without grit. Then add 2 cups cold water to balance strength and toss in 1/4 cup fresh rose petals to infuse delicate floral notes while cooling. Make sure to let the mixture reach room temperature before placing it in the pitcher. Chilling too fast mutes aroma. Taste after chilling and adjust with a little more sugar or water if the balance is off. You finish by straining the tea into a clean pitcher so petals and sediment are removed. This keeps the glass clear and pleasant. Once strained, pour over ice, about 3 or 4 cubes per glass, and garnish with a few rose petals or a sprig of mint for contrast. Store leftovers in the fridge up to 48 hours. If the tea tastes bitter or astringent, dilute with cold water and stir in a small splash of simple syrup. That corrects oversteeped tannins without hiding the rose aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.